Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electronic components, specifically the Terasaki ECB 1321 TMA Sender Module. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a TMA signal and why is it so crucial for communication systems? This little device plays a massive role in ensuring that signals are sent accurately and efficiently. But here's a thought: how many of us really understand the technology behind our everyday communication? And let's not forget the controversies. With the rise of wireless technology, is there still a place for traditional components like the ECB 1321? Are we moving too fast into the future, leaving behind reliable technology? As trends shift towards more integrated solutions, will this module become obsolete, or will it adapt and evolve? What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thank you.